Featured today is 377 Sites Way, located in a very desirable area of Big Bear City. The property is represented by Rachael Smith at Remax Big Bear. The home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Square footage is 1,794, situated on an 8,232 square foot lot. As custom, the buyer should confirm all applicable square footage. The home faces east, which is perfect during winter weather, and is on a road that is plowed during storms. As you will see, this home offers the perfect opportunity for gardening, featuring several fruit trees, berry bushes, flowers, and other greenery. The artificial turf was completed by the same company that lays turf at several Major League Baseball fields, ensuring durability and other protections for easy maintenance. The property is fully fenced and professionally installed within the last couple of years, providing you with the privacy that will last for many years to come. The fence will also help define your property lines. As you can see, there is ample parking in the driveway with RV or boat storage both behind and in front of the gate. The property's exterior has been meticulously maintained, with professional painting performed on a regular basis. Additionally, a local professional company has completed the driveway paving. As you will see, the roof has also been replaced in recent years, providing peace of mind that exterior maintenance has been covered. A generous front porch welcomes you with plenty of room for outdoor comfort to take in your beautiful yard. An excellent addition is the door leading to and from the spacious garage, making sure of your comfort in any weather. A newly installed screen door and a hardwood front door with glass insert welcomes you into the home. Upon entry, the high beam tongue and groove ceilings and focal point pellet stove immediately catch your eye, accompanied by fresh painted walls, carefully chosen in a neutral color to personalize in any way you choose. A coat closet with interior light switch is to your immediate right, where you will find the pole that opens your screen skylight, which adds fresh air and sunlight into your home. The home also features a workhorse of a heating system with ample vents keeping you warm on crisp mountain nights. Energy-efficient dual-pane windows are also featured throughout the house, keeping your costs down. Additionally, to aid with heating, the ceiling fan in the living room features a reverse setting for winter, which helps circulate warm air downward. As mentioned, the house has a pellet stove with a blower. If you're not familiar with a pellet stove, they provide a safe way to keep the house warm and toasty all day and into the night, with almost no waste and easy cleaning. Above the insert, you'll discover a hand-hewn mantel that stands out as a beautiful showpiece, waiting for your photographs and objets d'art. Teamed with the brickwork, this wall creates a stunning contrast, just waiting for your personal touch. Turning our attention once more, you'll see the additional dual-pane windows that help create a cozy welcome feeling. The open concept of this house features an extended dining room that can accommodate most tables without an issue. Alternatively, consider a corner unit to hug the windows, creating a comfortable eating area. The kitchen features a spacious countertop for entertaining, a true cook's kitchen with ceramic tile imported from Italy. The benefits of tile over other materials include durability and ease of cleaning. The tile was chosen due to the craftsmanship and durability. The wooden cabinets are also a breeze to maintain. Because the cabinets are wood, you can either leave them as is for the mountain look or easily paint them to suit any color scheme. Speaking of cabinets, you'll have no issue finding room for your kitchen utensils, plates, glasses, and even appliances, thanks to the generous size of cabinets, drawers, and pantries. With all appliances included, you're all set to enjoy meals prepared in this home for years to come. Adding to the charm of this kitchen, which was updated in recent years, you'll notice the hammered copper sink with similar outlet covers and fixtures that blend nicely with the sink's patina. The contrasting tile creates a classic European flair, especially with the elevated shelf in front of the sink. To accommodate your appliances, you'll notice ample outlets, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. As stated, this house features 2 living rooms. The second room flows right from the dining room and kitchen. You'll notice the variations in the flooring used as a natural separation between main living areas and separate rooms. All flooring is an easy care laminate, providing years of use with minimal effort. Entering the second living room, the walls feature real wood planks that lead to an even more dramatic rock wall with a traditional gas ignition fireplace, two stained glass windows, and a sliding glass door that leads to a spacious backyard. The beauty of this room lies in the numerous ways it can be utilized. With the French doors that close, it can be a guest room, a game room, or a cozy family room where your family gathers after a long day. Continuing the tour of the house, we reach the first two bathrooms. You'll notice the same cabinets that were used in the kitchen, which means plenty of storage for towels and supplies. Vinyl flooring in this bathroom means easy care and cleanup. You'll notice that the tile in the shower and tub combination is color coordinated with yellow and gold highlights that complement the double sliding textured glass doors that were just installed a couple of years ago. The room also has a ceiling heater with a standard vent to keep you toasty warm as you step out of the tub. Next to the first bathroom, you will notice a nearly new washer and dryer by LG, a modern unit with a pleasant chime to signal the end of your laundry cycle. Just past the laundry room are the three bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 is perfect as a bedroom or office, thanks to the ample lighting that comes from the window and brightly colored walls. You'll also find plenty of storage in the double door closet, and of course, this room has a proper heating vent. Next to bedroom number 1 is another storage closet, which is perfect for your supplies, storage, or anything you can dream up. Entering bedroom 2 is a spacious room that can accommodate a queen-size bed with plenty of walk-around space. As with the other rooms, there is a dedicated heating vent to keep you warm. The dual-pane windows offers lots of light, and with waffle pull-down shades, you can darken the room for those not quite ready to meet the morning sun. From this view, you can see the backyard and the gates that leads to wooden fencing of your own private backyard. Once again, the current owners have chosen a paint color that will allow you to personalize this room to your liking. A feature this family decided to do was to paint the wood paneling accent wall, which still provides a break-in-wall texture but blends nicely and really stands out with pictures or other wall hangings. As expected, a double-door slider closet with shelving offers plenty of space. Entering the master bedroom, you'll find a couple of surprises. First off, this private retreat offers a private bathroom with a newer shower enclosure, toilet, vanity, and sink, a skylight for natural light, and when the moon is full, a stunning view that lights up the entire room. A textured shower door just like the one featured in the first bathroom. The main portion of the bedroom can accommodate a California king and still have walking space in the room. This door leads to a spacious closet with built-in inserts, providing ample storage for clothes, shoes, and blankets. And now for the hidden gem. Beyond this door, this room is your own private retreat. It can be anything you dream up. It can be a private sitting room, a craft room, or even a nursery. If you're into yoga and other mindfulness activities, this room will provide you with the perfect amount of space. It can even be an office with newer sliding glass doors that lead to the driveway gates. The French doors are also new and will lead you to the backyard after working from home. The options are endless. You'll also notice the same stained glass insert that's featured in the second living room. This was a great choice to tie in the features of the house throughout different rooms. Leading from the master bedroom provides an additional exit option to the backyard. Situated on the front side of a cul-de-sac, it offers a fantastic place for entertaining. The current owners have shared that they've had many wonderful functions in the backyard, including a wedding and reception. The wind-around design allows for access from the private retreat, the garage, and of course through the gates. The backyard features many mature greenery and 3 different varieties of apple trees. Another addition to the property is the storage shed. While the shed has no power, The shed itself is wired and ready should you decide to connect it to the power grid. Inside, you'll find ample storage for toys, tools, or a perfect shed for the craftsman. There are numerous options for the storage shed, which sits on a foundation, making it a permanent structure. If that's not enough, this property has a fantastic playhouse, also wired with one outlet and porch light that all you need to do is connect to the power grid. The opportunities for this little house is endless. The house offers many features that mirror the main house, allowing for hours of imaginative play for the little ones, or a great place to relax. The current owners report that they have used the space for many different activities as it enhances the charm of the backyard. Behind the playhouse, you'll find a garden plot that was designed for growing vegetables or anything you choose, with trees along the fence line adding to the property's privacy and providing shade during warm summer days. This property has it all. The final feature of this house is the garage. Need storage? This garage has it. With a granny attic that spans a quarter of the front to the shelving, this garage has plenty of storage. The current owners have two mid-size SUVs that fit perfectly side by side, yet still provides plenty of room for tools or even bringing in built-in cabinetry if you desire. You'll notice a generous newer water heater to fuel many seasons of hot showers. You may have noticed the heating system. It's a workhorse. With added double-door garage openers that work separately, you'll have the best of everything. In winter, spring, summer, or fall. 377 Sites Way, in front of your cozy fireplaces, enjoying unique animals. This house truly has it all. So come to Big Bear. We're just a little bit higher up with plenty of activities for you and your family. Schedule your home tour of 377 Sites Way today with Rachael Smith of Remax Big Bear.